Hello, today we're talking about decluttering and what to do with those things that are still good but you don't want them anymore. We're going to bless others with this unwanted clutter. These things that don't have a home in your house and these things that you don't really need, love, use, or want. Those things are going to go in a box, and at the end of the decluttering session, you're going to put them in the back of your car, and on the day that you're out and about, you're going to drop by the Goodwill or whomever you want to drop off these things to and drop them off. I want you to imagine how happy that's going to make someone. Imagine that you're a young wife and you don't have any money and somebody just gave you $10 for your birthday and you really want a new purse. And you go into the Goodwill and you see it, your purse, the one you donated. She sees it and says, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I was looking for. I'm so excited. That's what you do for people. Have a great day.